Namaste everyone, Carla here, and today I'm going to give you a very short tutorial on headstand. You need two things. First, you need to have a very solid foundation in your shoulder girdle, in your upper body, including the core. And second, when you are going into headstand, you need to move your entire pelvis over the shoulders. Okay, so let's see if I can give you a quick demonstration, and you're welcome to practice with me, but first watch. Okay, before we get going, you need to keep your elbows in line with the shoulders. If you do this, you're going too far, you're not going to be able to support your headstand. So elbows in line with the shoulders, tighten your chest, press your forearms down. So again, grab the elbows, grab the upper arms. Keep your elbows pressing firmly down. Now interlace the fingers and lift your hips up. Place your head on the floor, the back of your head touching the pads of the thumbs, and then see if you can bring one leg up. Notice I'm having to really move my hips over my shoulders, and then the other leg comes up. And you can stretch out both legs. Okay, this is not going to happen. You get stuck right here in the middle. Oh, I cannot come up. Then perhaps lift one leg up and then the other. And by the way, even if you get stuck right here, it's perfectly fine. You develop your balance and your core strength. And then you come back down and relax in child's pose for a moment. So it's very important to practice without kicking, because the kicking will not help you develop a strong foundation, not a core or a shoulder girdle foundation. So you need that, strong foundation in order to be able to do the headstand without the use of the wall. If you are interested in using the wall, make sure that you have about 4 fingers away from the wall, and then you start again. Press your forearms down. Why do I say 4 fingers away from the wall? Because if your butt hits the wall, you're going to tip over to the side, okay? And that's not a good thing for your neck. You don't want to fall. So again, avoid keeping the hands stuck to the wall. Okay, that's for your own safety. Then put your head down, and then here it is. Your butt, you add a little kick. Here it is. You put your feet up on the wall and pull your belly button in. You want to move the forearms down. Press the forearms firmly down and try to lengthen the neck. And then you perhaps can extend the legs, keeping them away from the wall. Even if you place one foot against the wall, that's fine. But you're getting closer to a headstand independent of the wall. Okay? So I hope that was helpful. If not, let me know, because this is something I've been doing for a very long time, and I enjoy going into headstands and other inversions. So namaste.